Namaskar, this is Rohit Shankar Mane. You are watching Scientists Are Academy Towards Scientific World. Now, in this video lecture, we are going to understand microbiology MCQs on the chapter Microbial Technology. Now, here we are going to understand the MCQs regarding to the all techniques which are used in the microbiology. And this is the microbial technology lecture first. These MCQs are helpful for the SAT exam, ICR NET, CSR NET, ICMR NET, JRF, SRF, GATE exam, and the PARC exam. Other than this, these MCQs are helpful for the microbiological graduation exams and the industrial interviews. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more videos. So first MCQ is the pure culture technique was developed by whom? So it is developed by Sinokoski, Joseph Lister, Moods, and none of the above. So pure culture technique was developed by first time by Joseph Lister while doing the surgery. Which stain is used to stain DNA under fluorescent microscopy? Which stain is used? So for the DNA, FITC, ethidium bromide, diamino-2-phenyl indole, that is DAPI, or acridine orange. Which stain is used to stain the DNA under fluorescent microscopy? So diamino-2-phenyl indole, that is DAPI, is used to stain the DNA. When we use the same stain to stain the DNA, that time this stain emits the light under the fluorescent microscopy, that is fluorescence, and according to that we can identify the structure of the cell or any organism. In cell lysis, which protein is used for the degrading the proteins? Now see, while doing the cell lysis, which protein is used for the degrading the proteins? SDS, RNAs, proteinase K, or DNAs? Now which protein we have to use for the cell lysis, and during that degradation of protein occurs? So proteinase K is used, which degrades the protein in the cell lysis. Next question is the who isolated DNA from bacterial cell first time? Frederick Sanger, Frederick Mischer, James Watson, Singer Nicholson. Now, who is the person, who is the scientist? First time he isolated the DNA from the bacterial cell. So, Frederick Mischer is the scientist who isolated DNA from bacterial cell first time. Who demonstrated that DNA is genetic material of bacteriophages? So, Walter Gilbert, Hershey and Chase, Franklin Cornett, and Singer Frederick Griffith. So answer is Hershey and Chase demonstrated that DNA is the genetic material of bacteriophages. Which material is used as objective lens in the microscopy, in the electron microscopy? Now see, what is the material? Electrons, magnetic coils, superfine coils, or aluminum coils. Now we have to identify which material is used as objective lens in the electron microscopy. So magnetic coils are used as objective lens in the electron microscopy. A bacteriological stain, also known as the differential stain, is used to identify acid-fast organisms. What is the name of the stain? Now see, we know that acid-fast organisms are identified or are observed through the acid-fast staining technique, because it is a differential staining technique also. So we have to identify which stain is used in this technique. Negative stain, Gram stain, Ziel-Nielsen stain, or Schaffer stain, Fulton stain. So here Ziel-Nielsen stain is used. Which of the following dye is commonly used for the negative staining technique? Crystal violet, India ink, methylene blue, or iodine? So which is the common dye is used here? India ink is used in the negative staining technique. Where in the negative staining technique, background will be colored and the bacterial cell will be colorless. So we can easily observe the bacterial cell with the help of negative staining. Mostly the scientist uses this technique for the observation of viruses also. In electron microscopy, which material is used for shadowing purpose? Platinum, gold, silver, tungsten. So which material? Platinum is used for the shadowing purpose in the electron microscopy. Which part of the compound microscope helps in the gathering and focusing the light rays on the specimen to be viewed? Eyepiece lens, objective lens, condenser lens, or magnifying lens. Now see the question, which part of the compound microscope helps in a gathering and focusing light rays on the specimen to be viewed? So answer is condenser lens. So condenser lens helps in a gathering and the focusing light rays on the specimen to be viewed. What is the minimum distance for the eye to focus any object? 11 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 32 or 42 centimeter. What is the minimum distance? So 25 centimeter is the minimum distance for the eye to focus any object. Which oil is used in 100x? Parachute oil, wax, cedarwood oil, or none of the above. So in 100x or any of, if you wanna observe any microorganism under 100x, then we have to use oil. So which oil is used? Cedarwood oil is used. Why cedarwood oil only is used? Because the refractive index of cedarwood oil is similar to the glass. That's what it is used. Dash has absorption at 260 nanometer. Double stranded DNA, single stranded DNA, double stranded RNA, single stranded RNA. Now, which is the option, correct option, which has absorption at 260 nanometer? So, single stranded DNA has absorption at 260 nanometer, others are not. What is used for the sequencing of 5 to 7 housekeeping genes to determine the species and strain? MLST, SLST, SSNs, none of the above. Which technique is used? Now here MLST technique is used for the sequencing of 5 to 7 housekeeping genes to determine the species and strain. So this technique is very useful for the microbiologist. Which method is used to identify microbes up to its strain level? Now see, this is a very important question. MLST, 16S rRNA gene sequencing, DNA hybridization, or genome sequencing. Now see here, which technique is used to identify the microbes up to its strain level? So genome sequencing is the best option for the identification of microbes up to its strain level. Who developed the first time taxonomic system for the classifying the organisms? Carlos Linnaeus, Norman Pease, Robert Koch. So Carlos Linnaeus first time used a taxonomic system. Oil immersion objective lens has a numerical aperture value of 0.65, 0.85, 1.33, 1. So 1.33 is the numerical aperture value of oil immersion objective lens. Total magnification is obtained by what? Magnifying power of the objective lens, magnifying power of condenser lens, magnifying power of eyepiece, or magnifying power of both objective lens and the eyepiece. Now see, we have to think here. Now total magnification in the microscopy is obtained by magnifying power of both objective lens and the eyepiece. Now here we have to magnify the power of objective lens and the condenser, then and then only we can achieve the total magnification and we can see our object, sorry, we can see our specimen under the microscope. In light microscopy, which of the following is used as a fixatives prior to staining techniques? Osmotic acid, glutaraldehyde, heat, or osmotic acid, glutaraldehyde, heat, all of the above. No, see, in the light microscopy, we have to use some fixative agents before staining technique. So what is used? So heat is used in the staining techniques. Now we know that before going to after doing the smears on the slide, we are always doing the applying the heat for the fixation of smear on the slide. Which part of the light microscope controls the intensity of light entering the viewing area? Which part? Coarse adjustment screw, fine adjustment screw, diaphragm, or condenser lens. So we have to choose the option which is the part of light microscope which controls the intensity of light entering the viewing area. So diaphragm is the correct answer. Centrifuges are used for the analysis of which one of the following except cells, organelles, chemical properties of biomolecules or chemical properties of biomolecules. So option C and D both are option here, that chemical properties of biomolecules. Now higher resolution is obtained in electron microscopy by using what? Air, oil, vacuum, water. So it is obtained by using vacuum. Which one of the following does not kill endospore? Now endospores are the heat resistant microorganisms. So we have to identify which one of the following method does not kill endospore. Autoclave, filtration, hot oil, none of them. So autoclave is the answer which does not kill the endospores. The term gene was coined by whom? Johnson, Bateson, Mendel, Watson. So Johnson is the scientist who coined the term gene. Which of the following is used in the electron microscopy? Electron beams, magnetic fields, light waves, or electron beams and the magnetic fields. What is used in the electron microscopy? So electron beams and the magnetic fields are used in the electron microscopy. Using a microscope, a glass plate of 5 mm is viewed from the above. The microscope is lowered by 3 mm to view the bottom surface of the glass. What is the refractive index of the glass? Now here we have to identify what is the refractive index of the glass. Read the question carefully. Option is 2, 1.66, 2.25, 1.4. Now what is the refractive index of the glass? So 1.66 is the refractive index of the glass. Resolving power of microscope depends upon what? A focal length and the aperture of the eye lens, or the focal length and the objective of the eye lens, the aperture of the objective and the eye lens, and the last option is the wavelength of light illuminating the object. Now the resolving power of microscope totally depends on the wavelength of light illuminating the object. That is the important one. Last option. Which grid is used in the electron microscopy during the mounting of a specimen? Carbon grid, copper grid, glass grid, or gold grid? Which grid is used here? So in the electron microscopy, copper grid is used for the mounting of specimen. Resolving power of light microscope is what? 2 mm, 0.2 mm, 1 mm, 0.1 mm. So it is 0.2 mm. Roll tube technique is used to isolate what? Aerobes, anaerobes, facultative or stringent anaerobes. Roll tube technique is used for the isolation of stringent anaerobes. In pour plate method, the medium should be maintained at what temperature? So 37 degrees Celsius, 67 degrees Celsius, 45 or 0 degrees Celsius. So in pour plate method, the medium should be maintained at 45 degrees Celsius. Next question. Which of the following method can be used to determine the number of bacteria quantitatively? Now here we have to identify the method which is used for the determination of a bacterial count quantitatively, not qualitatively. Stick plate, spread plate, pour plate, or spread plate. Option A, B and C. Which is the answer? So pour plate and spread plate method is used to determine the bacteria quantitatively. Which of the following are not performed in lyophilization? Agar slant is covered with mineral oil. Option B, cell suspension is frozen at 60 to 78 degrees Celsius. Vials are connected to high vacuum line, or bacterial sample is dehydrated. Which is not performed in the lyophilization? So agar slant is covered with the mineral oil. Option A is correct option. So this agar slant is covered with the mineral oil is not performed in the lyophilization, while option B, C, D are correct one. Which of the following is a function of cryoprotective agents? for long-term preservation of cultures, prevents cell damage due to ice crystal formation, prevents formation of ice, and to trap the liquid nitrogen. So, which of the following is a function of cryoprotective agents? Prevents cell damage due to ice crystal formation. What is the temperature of liquid nitrogen? Minus 120 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, minus 150, minus 196 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of liquid nitrogen? So minus 196 degrees Celsius. Nichrome loop wire is used in which of the following techniques? Pour plate, streak plate, spread plate, or roll tube technique? Pour plate, streak, spread, or roll tube. So it is used in the streak plate technique, because pour plate we are already pouring the culture with the media. Spread plate also we are using spreader. Roll tube we are using roll tube. So here streak plate technique is used. Which device is used to pick a single bacterial cell from a mixture culture? Microscope, micropipette, microprobe, or micromanipulator? Now see, this question is very important. If you wanna pick a single bacterial cell from a mixed culture, what technique is used? So here micromanipulator is used. The National Collection of Type Cultures is situated in, where it is situated? France, England, Germany, Japan. So it is situated in the England. Which one of the following has a larger diameter? Well spreaded colonies, crowded colonies, younger colonies, or old colonies? So which of the following has a larger diameter? So well spreaded colonies has the larger diameter. What is the color of colonies of Staphylococcus aureus? Pink, red, violet, gold. So gold is the color of Staphylococcus aureus colonies. Which of the following method is used to preserve the internal and external structure of the cell? Coating, fixation, preservation, staining. So fixation is used to preserve the internal and external structure of the cell. Which one of the following is used in the lab for sterilizing hands before work? Now see, in lab we are working with the microorganisms. So before going to work, before going to start our work, what sterilizer we are using for the hands? Soap solution, methylene blue, 70% alcohol, or formalin? 70% alcohol we are using. Pyridine is which type of pigment? So water insoluble pigment, water soluble pigment, fluorescent pigment, or spangly water soluble pigment? So it is a fluorescent pigment. Pyridine is produced by the Pseudomonas aureus species. Growth in broth cultures occurs mainly in the form of what? Slightly turbid, heavy surface pellicle, sediment, or viscous? So it is heavy surface pellicle form. Which bacteria among the following produces a water-soluble pigment? Mycobacterium conasi, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Chromobacterium oelicum, Pseudomonas chlorophyllus. So which bacteria among the following produces a water-insoluble pigment? So Chromobacteria oelicum. During preservation of microbes, what happens? Their characteristics changes, their metabolism stop, their metabolism continue, or their metabolism changes. So during the preservation of microbes, their metabolism continues. Microbes are preserved because they produce valuable product. They are the only microbes producing product. They may require for longer period of time, or all of the above. What is the correct option? The microbes are preserved because all of the above. Cryopreservation is what? It is a preservation at low temperature, preservation at high temperature, preservation with dehydration, or preservation in mineral oil. So cryopreservation is preservation at low temperature. Which scientists gave the details of techniques of preservation? Jacob Monod, Kirchhoff and Doyle, William and Wilkins, and Bollier and Rodriguez. So Kirchhoff and Doyle gave details of techniques of preservation. Which of the following is not a technique of preservation? Storage agar on agar slant, storage under liquid nitrogen, dried cultures, storage in water. So which is not preservation technique? Storage in water. We can't store the microorganism in the water. The preservation of agar slopes has an expiration of 6 months and the agar needs to be changed every 6 months. Which of the following can be used to extend subculturing to 1 year? So it's very good question. Paraffin oil, DMSO, glycerol or glycerol, loamy soil. So we can use paraffin oil. So it extends subculturing to 1 year from 6 months. Which of the following is not a cryoprotective agent? DMSO, glycerol, ethylene glycol, or paraffin wax. So paraffin wax is the not a cryoprotective agent, while DMSO, ethylene glycol, or glycerol are the cryoprotective agent. The preservation by liquid nitrogen is called as what? So it is called as a cryopreservation, lyophilization, freeze drying, or desiccation. So it is called as a cryopreservation. Which of the following is or are used in the dry culture preservation? Sand, soil or slits. So in the dried culture preservation, sand and soil both are used. Which of the following is not the advantage of lyophilization? Dissolution product, process in aseptic conditions, handling and processing time increases, do not use heat. So handling and processing time increases is not the advantage of lyophilization, while it is the disadvantage. Which of the following method of preservation is more suitable and used widely? Dried cultures, lyophilization, salt storage, storage in liquid. So lyophilization is used widely for the preservation of microbes. Which of the following is not the composition of nutrient agar plates or slants? Beef extract, S extract, peptone, NaCl, dextrose. So dextrose is not used in the nutrient agar plates, while peptone, yeast or beef extract, NaCl is used. The batch culture is an which system? Open, closed, isolated, semi-closed. So it is a closed system. Why it is closed system? Because in this system we have to add nutrients and the media at only one time. That's what it is called as a closed system. A period during which the growth rate cells gradually increases is known as what? Lag, log, stationary, deceleration phase. So in the log phase, the growth rate of cells gradually increases. The exponential phase may be described by the equation dx divided by dt is equals to micro x. That is option A is correct one. Next one, 58. What happens? During batch fermentation, in which phase the microbes in the fermenter are adapting to the new environment? Lag phase, log, or exposed stationary death. So in the lag phase, the microorganisms are adapting with the environment because the environment is new, like pH, temperature, all nutrients are new to the microorganisms. That's what in the lag phase they are trying to adapt. Who first suggested the filamentous fungi have a growth unit which is replicated at a constant rate? Trinky, Peterson, Formoli, Griffiths. So Plumley is the scientist who suggested that. The yield factor, that is Y, does not vary upon which of the following? pH, temperature, growth rate, amount of enzyme. So amount of enzyme. 61. Who discovered the gradient plane technique? Sano, Shio, Sujako, Kuboto. So Sajblaski, that option C, discovered a gradient plane technique. Is a process used quite often in the dairy industry. Quite often, which process is used quite often? Centrifugal separation, sedimentation theory, crystal growth, or none of the above. So centrifugal separation is quite often used process in the dairy industry. Which of the following is use of centrifugal separation? Clarification, skimming, back to first treatment, or all of those? So all of the above techniques are used in the dairy industry as a centrifugal separation. Centrifugation is based on what? Patrick's law, Menelaus, Trick's law, Stein laws. Which law is important for the centrifugation? So Stokes law is important because centrifugation is based on the Stokes law. The particle sedimentation velocity increases with increasing viscosity, decreasing differences in density between the two phases, or increasing diameter, or all of the above. So increasing diameter is the important one because the particle sedimentation velocity increases with the increasing diameter. If raw milk were allowed to stand, the fat globules would begin to rise to the surface in a phenomenon called a creaming. The statement is true or false, can be true or false, or cannot say. So the statement is true. What is the use of density gradient centrifugation? So it is used to purify viruses, ribosomes, membranes, Torre moldwit, to remove fine particles, to remove large particles. So it is used to purify viruses, ribosomes, and the membranes. Particles are not separated from a solution according to their shape. Is it true or false, or cannot say, or cannot be true, can be true or false? So it is the false statement. Who discovered pasteurization? Sano, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Coupeau. So we know that pasteurization is discovered by the Louis Pasteur. So option C. Which of the following can be sterilized by pasteurization? Milk, beer, vitamin, juice. We can sterilize it milk. In the chromatography, which one of the following is common in both mobile and stationary phase? Gas, liquid, solid, none of the above. So liquid is the common. Concept of RNA world is given by Alexander Rich, Alexander Fleming, Walter Gilbert, Louis Pasteur. So it is given by the Alexander Rich. DNA polymerase first and prokaryote is discovered by Nirenberg, Arthur Kornberg, Francis Crick, Ajay Chand. It is discovered by the Arthur Kornberg, which is an Indian scientist. Study of macromolecules are carried out by analytical centrifugation, preparative centrifugation, density gradient centrifugation, benchtop centrifugation. So analytical centrifugation is the method by which it is carried out. Heat labile substances can be sterilized by autoclave, oven, membrane filtration, alcohol. So heat labile substances can be sterilized by membrane filtration technique because autoclave, oven, or alcohol creates heat. So because of that, they can denature. Which staining technique is used widely in the microbiology? Negative staining, simple staining, gram staining, or acid fast staining. So mostly gram staining is used in the microbiology because it is a differential staining and it is used to differentiate the microorganism, especially the bacteria, into gram positive and the gram negative. Gram staining is discovered by whom? Alfred McConkie, Robert Koch, Robert Hooke, or Hans Christian Joachim Gram. So Hans Christian Joachim Gram discovered the gram staining technique, which is not the application of gel exclusion chromatography. Purification of macromolecules, purification of micromolecules, desalting, estimation of molecular structure. So which is not the application of gel filtration chromatography, estimation of molecular structure. So here in this chromatography we can't estimate the molecular structure of the biomolecules. In scanning electron microscopy, for the fixation of cells, which fixative agent is used? Iodine, glutaraldehyde, formic acid, NaCl. So glutaraldehyde is used as a fixative agent in the scanning electron microscopy. In wound infection, which agent is used to clean the infection? Chlorine, ethanol, formaldehyde, tincture of iodine. So tincture of iodines are used to clean the infection. Who demonstrated that the DNA is the genetic material of bacteriophages? Walt Gilbert, Frank Kennard Singer, Hershey and Chase, Frederick Griffith. So Hershey and Chase declared or demonstrated that the DNA is the genetic material of bacteriophages. Concept of RNA world was given by whom? Alexander Rich, Walter Gilbert, Alexander Fleming, Louis Pasteur. So it is given by the Alexander Rich. X-ray causes which type of mutation? Addition type of mutation, deletion mutation, base pair substitution, spontaneous mutation. So X-ray causes deletion type of mutation where the specific sequence of the gene or the DNA is deleted from the site. Fluctuation test was demonstrated by whom? J. Liederberg, Lurie Delberg, L. Liederberg, Maxim Gilbert. So fluctuation test was developed by the Lurie and Delbruck. Replica plate technique is used for the isolation of exotropic mutant, antibiotic resistant mutant, conditional mutant, or both A and B. So both A and B, that is exotropic mutant and the antibiotic resistant mutants, are isolated. Which of the following can be chemical agent used for cell lysis? DNase, phenol, lysozyme, detergent. So detergent is used as a chemical agent for the cell lysis. Which chemical agent is used to kill the cells by protein oxidation? So DNase, lysozyme, protein compound, phenolic compound, or detergent. So phenolic compounds are used to kill the microorganism or specifically the cells by the protein oxidation mechanism. During the purification of DNA, RNA is denatured by whom? Acid, dilute alkali, DNase, acid. So dilute alkali is used to denature the RNA during DNA purification. Hybridoma technique is discovered by D. Haley, Landsteiner, Robert Koch, Kohler and Milston. So Kohler and Milston is known for the hybridoma technology. The hybridoma technology is used for the production of monoclonal antibodies, where the cancer cells are used. Which of the following is the basic types of gels? Dextran and agarose, polyacrylamide and dextran, combined polyacrylamide and dextran, all of the above. So all of the above is the answer. During the DNA purification, which chemical agent is used to precipitate DNA? DNA is ethanol, lysozyme, chloroform. So ethanol is used to precipitate the DNA. Which method is used for the fungi isolation? That is media. Newton agar media, LB broth, PDA media, or McConkey's agar media. So PDA, that is potato dextrose agar media, is used for the isolation of fungi. Which enzyme is used in the PCR, which is isolated from the thermophilic bacteria? Amylase, Taq polymerase, chitinase, DNA polymerase. So Taq polymerase is the enzyme which is isolated from the Thermus aquaticus, which is thermophilic bacteria. So Taq polymerase is used in the PCR. EDTA is used as a chelating agent for which of the ions? Al plus 3, As plus 3, Fe plus 3, Mg plus 3. So Mg plus 3 is the answer. Who introduced the hanging drop techniques for motility study? Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, Leeuwenhoek. So Leeuwenhoek used or introduced the hanging drop technique for the study of motility of bacteria. Motility is nothing but the locomotion of the bacteria, how they can move from one place to the another place. That we have to observe with the help of motility study. DNA fingerprinting is also known as what? DNA profiling, genetic profiling, both A and B, none of the above. So genetic profiling. DNA fingerprinting is also known as genetic profiling, where we can identify easily the profiling of any person. Who is the first inventor of microscope? Antonio van Leeuwenhoek, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Galileo. So Galileo first time invented the small microscope. With the help of that time he tried to observe the plant cells. So in TLC plates are available with several solvents, like which of the following except alumina, cellulose, silica gel, fluorosil. So fluorosil. Which one of the following is the most resistant to antimicrobial agent? Endospore, mature cell, vegetative cell, Younger cell. So endospores are the most resistant to antimicrobial agent because they are heat stable. Who discovered a pure culture of bacteria by serial dilution in a liquid medium? Antonio van Leeuwenhoek, Joseph Lister, Louis Pasteur and Galileo. Who discovered a serial dilution technique in a liquid medium? So Joseph Lister is the answer, who discovered a serial dilution technique in a liquid media. So these are the some 100 MCQs regarding the pure microbiological techniques. So if you have any question, you can comment or you can mail me. Thanks a lot.